guys, good morning. We just driving around here, the subdivision. Just look around. There's daddy. RG's not here. Go in school. There is the subdivision here. There is brand new phase 5.
It's going up quick.
Nice subdivision too. Closer to the grocery store. Here.
Close to the mountains.
Yep. And first snow in the mountain today. Look at the mountain of snow. Smith Marketplace, the grocery store there. A brand new building there.
It's pretty big.
Other restaurant.
Costa Vita.
Costa Vita, burrito place.
Yeah, we didn't get nothing down here.
Yeah, but
Oh.
still cold.
But we didn't even get rain. No rain. Nothing. Just the mountains got snow.
Okay guys, we're going to McDonald's now. We buy something to eat for breakfast. Here is daddy driving. Okay, we flip now in the road.
Going through the tunnel.
Go! A green light. Green light there too. There is McDonald's.
So it's very, very hot out. Huh, not in that sun. It gets hot. If you're in the shade, it might be cool.
Yeah,
But it's warmer than I thought.
but I'm cold.
Okay.
One large fry.
Okay.
And 2 bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles.
Okay.
And also a medium coffee with 3 creams.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
Reserve drive-thru. A burger and fries and McGriddle. There is Wendy's there, but already sold this house.
Yep. Selling like crazy here.
There is the brand new elementary school here.
Yep. This subdivision sold quick too.
Yeah.
Put the school up and all these houses built right around it right away.
Look at that school. Their elementary is so big.
And the houses down here have an unobstructed, beautiful view of Bountiful and Antelope Island.
Yeah.
Right down here on the end.
There's the bike there. Look at that bike. So many there. All the
Most of them don't lock it.
all the children. There
Trees are
is.
turning color now. Look.
Yeah, it's changing color now.
There's the house right next to the open field with an unobstructed view of Antelope Island.
Yeah, but have a highway there. Make
Highway?
noise.
The highway's coming down here. Yeah, I forgot about that.
And
I don't know how far out it's going to be out there.
there, the highway there soon.
It'll be a low noise
Yeah.
material, cement.
Yeah, but
So if the
still
car's driving on it-
noisy.
Yeah, we still hear it, but not as bad as normal. Regular. It's a nice school, though, man.
It's the back of the school there.
Elementary.
Yep. Elementary here, so big the school. there. Welcome to Keys Creek Elementary School.
Yep, highway right behind us. Might be far out there though. I don't know. Well, it might be right there. They'll probably put a wall up for them. That snow's gonna melt pretty quick.
Yeah.
Rain on Tuesday or Wednesday, which could mean snow up there.
Here's the snow. See the clouds in the top of the mountain.
Yep.
There is the mountain view there. Look at that there. Nice view.
Yep.
This is a desert. Not like in Philippines, it's a lot of tree.
Lots of rain too.
Yeah. Here is the other brand new
Junior high.
junior high. Here.
Has no name yet. No, the subdivision name.
Here is
Some place. Don't know.
other subdivision here.
The houses are a lot bigger when you go inside than it appears.
Yeah, this look like a small in the front, but you go inside, it's so big.
There's another future growth.
Yeah, other there.
This is newer. You can see it's got the small trees. Must have missed the exit. Let's go all the way down.
Okay, we're here now in the farm stand. We go outside now.
I would say at least another week.
One more after this. 2 more.
Oh, onion. Here is the corn that we buy in farm stand. Have 9 corn. Here is. So big, huh? There he is. That's it, we buy only the corn. Okay guys, we're going to Black Island and we look at around there what's look like. This is our first time to go there. Guys, see you there. Hey, there's Daddy. We're going to Black Island Farm.
Still going to Black Island Farms.
So far away.
Towards the lake.
Oh, there's the cow. What's the cow?
Coming to an end. Middle of nowhere.
We lost now. But there's the
Look at
farm.
that. Look
Look
at
at that. So big farm here.
It's all plowed already. Wow.
Or that before, see?
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, what's that? Scarecrow?
Yeah.
That's a sign.
I cannot tell. What's that there? Nothing there.
Turn right onto South.
Look at that squash